I chose Aakash BYJU'S because I needed a competitive environment for my NEET preparation. Also, Aakash BYJU'S has produced good results in the past.
Aakash has honestly been amazing. There was never any extra stress. That's what most parents worry about. If you're worrying about putting your child into an institute, it's about the stress that you'll face. But there was never any stress. It was always pressure that I could handle because they teach so well and we had a lot of practice in school itself.
It is the study material and it's the test series which helped her a lot to achieve her goal. Aakash helped us a lot.
Because notes that Aakash gave us, they make NCERT much more easier to understand. Like if you do the same chapter without the notes, it would take you a lot more time.
आकाश ने मेन चीज जो सिखाई है ये कि मेहनत करना सिखाया है। लाइक 9-10 तक बच्चे को मेहनत करना नहीं आता, 11-12 में एक अलग लेवल की चाहिए होती है और वो आकाश में रह के आती है, क्योंकि आप आकाश में अगर हो तो आपको हर 2 हफ्ते में फोर्टनाइटली टेस्ट होते हैं, हर अगस्त सितंबर से हर महीने AITS होते हैं, बहुत सारे टेस्ट होते रहते हैं और आपको उसमें कंसिस्टेंसी बनाए रखनी होती है, इसलिए आपको पढ़ना ही पड़ता है कि बस कोई ऑप्शन नहीं बचता है।
I actually joined Aakash in 9th through the ANTHE exam. I was in a 2-year program, 9th and 10th, and then I enrolled again for 11th and 12th. The kind of exposure that you get in Aakash, like that's not something you can get while sitting at home, and you get these teachers who are who teach you things which are very NEET oriented. I could feel my marks escalating as I gave the test series.
Well, it is simply the best institute in our country for medical practice. It was an obvious decision. When I went to Aakash, I found out the facility, I met with the faculties, it just felt the right thing to do.
For his programs, his teachers were his mentors, so they also knew how to calm him down, where to control him, where to stop, being too stressful, making the situation too stressful. So overall, it has been a great journey and I would say that he would not have been able to do this without their help. So absolutely wonderful.
जब से 9th में से उसको मैंने आकाश में भेजा, उसके बाद वे ऑफ स्टडी उसका थोड़ा चेंज हो गया, कैसे प्रिपरेशन करना है, कैसे टाइम मैनेजमेंट करना है और स्ट्रेस नहीं लेना है, वो सब बहुत अच्छे सिखाते हैं आकाश में। और क्वेश्चंस भी उसका मॉड्यूल्स वो पढ़ने के बाद उसको और कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी, बहुत पढ़ नहीं करता था, फ्री भी रहता था, बीच बीच में एंजॉय करता था।
It was not a smooth journey, there were many highs and lows, but the faculty of Aakash helped me a lot to cope up with it.
मैं जाती थी आकाश में चेक करने के लिए, खासकर फैकल्टी वगैरह से बातचीत करके सब बहुत अच्छा लगता था कि नहीं सब बढ़िया है।
आकाश बहुत कॉम्पिटिटिव बनाया मुझे और बुक्स और टीचर्स ने बहुत हेल्प किया और वो जो कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पिरिट है क्लास में बैठने के बाद, बच्चों से बात करने के बाद भी मुझे लगा कि हाँ नीट में मुझे अच्छा आ सकता है।
The teachers at Aakash, they were highly supportive. They are highly qualified in the subjects they are teaching. Doubt clearance में भी काफ़ी help करते थे. So Aakash has been the biggest catalyst in my success for me.
जब मैंने जर्नी स्टार्ट की मैं काफ़ी एक्साइटेड था, पर कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं थी मेरे पास कि मुझे मतलब कैसे करना है, तो आकाश ने मुझे डायरेक्शन दिखाई है। 3 लेयर टेस्ट के कारण ना मैं वो सिलेबस ही 3 बार तो रिवाइज हो ही जाता था एटलीस्ट, तो यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छा गाइडेंस का रोल रहा है।
I had great classmates, like the whole environment of the class was very conducive and all of that are promoting factors for NEET. Like all of it has culminated to the NEET result. Everything contributed.
My wife was actually a student of Aakash. Rather, he was taught by the founder of Aakash, Mr. Chaudhary sir.
Okay.
She got selected from the very first initial batches of Aakash. So our mind was totally decided. Or moreover, when we met her teachers, initially she appeared in ANTHE, got selected. So we had a meeting with teachers of Aakash. So we people were very influenced because we saw the devotion in them, what dedication and devotion, and rather I have no hesitation to say Bareera has done 2 years of Aakash. I have never seen such devoted teachers and such devoted team.